again. We got to the station and there was no trains. So we're now in the car to wherever we're going. I still don't know where we're going, but I'm just following where at this point. We're setting out again. Yeah, we're gonna go again, Luca. Don't worry, we'll still get the bus, the train, and going on the Skycars. Are we having a good time, boys?
Yeah. We're gonna go speeding. We're gonna go speeding.
The last time we was in this, me and Wade were dating, it was probably our second or third date. So now be here with our children. Dad, how does that make you feel?
Weird.
I know. And we're going up. Wow. Why is I walking? Oh, it's the shuddering.
Oh no, Luca, I'm gonna be
That is scary.
Do that, so you can see. Look. Oh wow. Look, Luca. Yeah.
We're just gonna get some food now before we go on to the... What is it called, Dad? Is it the Uber boat? The Uber boat. This is Wade's day out. That's why it's manic. We don't know what we're doing. Nothing is planned to the T. It's very go with the flow, which he loves and I hate. I like things to be the letter of the law, some would say. But yeah. Look, yes, sweetheart.
How are they coming off?
You didn't want to go in, Dad?
No,
Oh, okay. I'm going to go into Sunglass Hut. We're all fed and watered. We're trying to go for the toilet, but now we're suddenly wandering into places. Why? We can do this at home in the G-Wagon that we've got there.
Come on, we're going.
Didn't see me there? Bubble, come with me, please. Go and hold baby Lele's hand. You want to go into Pro Cook? This is the luxury that you want to be spending on. This is how the point of that he's reached that life, that he wants to go into Pro Cook to look at the pots, pans and cutlery.
Babe, a nice stainless steel set costs a lot of money.
Right, nice to know where we are in the aspects of our lives, eh? I'm still at bags, shoes and nice things, and he's at crockery.
Yeah, this is beautiful. Look at that.
It's huge here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's O2, it's massive.
Never been this big before.
Oh wow, look at that side. We haven't seen that side at all.
No.
That's basically the thing, isn't it?
What?
The actual where they do the concert. That bit. Oh no, that's the cinema. That's the cinema, isn't it? This place is massive.
Oh, I think it's a kind of full sale one. Luca!
Look at mommy.
He said he wanted my phone. We're just getting some bubble tea because we're absolutely parched. And I mean, I've got a headache coming, so I haven't had enough drinks. So we're just going to get a quick bubble tea. And then we're off to the boat ride service. Wade says it runs quite late, but I didn't want to go too late in case it's cold, but here we are. Yes, Bubble, we're going on the boat soon, so he wants to go on this thing. These pods. I don't even know if he can because he's quite young, but yeah, he wants to go on that. But we're going to the boat ride, and I think by the time we come back, that thing will be closed. Telling a 3-year-old no is like the hardest job ever.
Where are we going, Luca? Go on us in soon. On the boat? Oh.
Lele. Whee! Nobody taking this. This is so good. Uber boat. Oh. That's quite sick.
Mom, first time. Looky. Look, Sinzu.
You excited?
Yeah.
That one?
No, we're going to the next one.
The next one, sweetheart.
Lels.
Lels is snacking.
Shall I put him back that way now?
Yeah, you're gonna go the other way.
There it is. Look, that's us, Sinzu.
That's our one. Look. Can you see the bit? It's cool. Leo. Can you see this is
That's our one.
Yeah, this is our one, I think.
anywhere, Bobs. Window, no? Yeah. Come. And it's full. Should then go out the back?
Mommy, look.
Yeah, go. Run. Sorry. Yeah. Here, go there. Oh, this is toilets though. Right, go on. Yeah. There's enough for all of us, isn't there?
There's plenty of room, so we'll get a seat in a minute. It's a little bit cold out here.
Babe, it's going. Can you see Lukey? Look, Luca.
No.
What are you saying about? You gonna sit in front? Hi, Lele.
Whoa, my baby.
Lele's tired.
Look, Susie.
I don't know how we haven't been on this yet. So cool, isn't it, Lukey? You're tired. Been a long day, sweetheart. No? It's absolutely shattered. Lele's tired as well. Leos. Ish. Dad, you had a good day?
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely jam-packed. You did well though, you planned so much to do. All up in your grill.
They need to sign like what bit we're at.
What's that?
They need to sign to show us what bit we're at.
They need to what?
Like tell us what stop it is.
Yeah, I know. Or we're gonna miss it, isn't it?
Don't go anywhere near.
It's Greenwich where we took our engagement pictures, isn't it? Babe, a lifetime ago.
Ages ago.
And now we've got 2 Theyuens.
You seen it, yeah?
It's nice here, isn't it, Lukey? Dad, you tired?
Never.
Leos, what are you doing?
We're always the last man standing.
I'm not tired.
Little chicken
Luca? Yeah, little chicken Anna. Are you tired?
No.
Dad, look at your face is saying something different. It's absolutely shattered. You see his face? No. Leos.
Mommy, we stop now?
Yeah, we have stopped.
So you've got to know where we are.
I know. Luca is having the time of his absolute life. So is little baby Lele.
I might go outside the Tower Bridge.
Huh?
Go outside the Tower Bridge.
Why?
We'll see it.
Oh yeah. Mama. Can I say something?
I don't mind mine.
Love you.
I don't like other pictures.
Mama. Oh, it was brilliant.
Lovely.
Did you enjoy yourself?
This is what I'm boat ride back.
Oh, because we're not going to get the train back, we're going to get the boat back.
Yeah, he's got to return.
Oh, okay. Would you do the return again, or next time would you get the train?
The return.
Oh, because you enjoyed it.
Whoa. He's hiding.
Little chipmunk. Little Lele is absolutely shad. Right, it's time for us to get off now. Right. Ooh, did you feel that bubble?
Sorry.
That's alright. Dad didn't ask the lovely people on our boat. We've got off and we could have taken that all the way back.
Oh, silly.
Oh, and I liked our boat. They were so nice and friendly. And it wasn't busy. Now we've got half an hour here to do what way? What you've planned today? What we doing?
Let's go to do so.
Okay. We was meant to get that, but Daddy. Oh. But it says Westminster on it, so maybe not.
Oh, it's going forward there.
Oh, so maybe we didn't get the wrong one then. You're lucky you got life. You don't know. Look at his face. He doesn't know. He doesn't know what he's doing. Today has been mayhem, train delays, and nonsense the whole day. Isn't it, Luca? Yeah. Daddy doesn't know, does he? Dad doesn't know. He has no idea. Oh. Luca is so tired. He's acting crazy. Lily's tired as well. Dad's hanging in there. This is our journey back. We could have got the train, but obviously way. Joking, Dad. The realities of parenthood. I've had to put Lily back into the buggy because we're now getting off and we're going to be getting the train back to the car and then going home. He doesn't understand why he has to go back in the buggy, so he's absolutely devastated, fuming with me and not impressed. Luca said to him, stop crying, and Luca said to him, stop crying, and he whacked him in the face, so he's not happy at all. And I just told him, don't do that, it's not nice. He's fuming. But yeah, we're finally going home. I think we're going back. Listen, I've just been saying to everybody when they've been asking me directions, I'm just the passenger on this little day out, because as much as it's been amazing, it has literally been, we've just been chancing it, because Wade was like, I googled this from yesterday, I wasn't really sure like how it works, etc., but he's done amazing. It's been such a good day. But yeah, the trains have not been cooperative, and this is why a lot of the time when we do go out, especially with the kids, it's stressful enough. We drive, but it was actually all right getting the train and everything today, bar the delays and then having to go back on ourselves, get the car, etc. We did all right. Sorry, Lele. He's fuming, but you know why also as well? He's tired. He's really tired, bless him. It's way past his bedtime. Did you say bye, Luca? You're such a nice, kind boy saying bye to the people. Did you have a good time? So, Luca, what did you do? You went in the air and you went on the sea, didn't you? You did everything. Look, can you see? They're parking up now, aren't they?
Oh, there's a little mouse running around. Look.
Where?
There, look.
Oh, yeah. Look at this. There's a low suit.
Look, you see a low suit?
See how I'm talking Chinese and he's talking English?
Where?
What have you got to say for yourself?
Where, Mommy?
The train's coming.
It's gone.
Oh, it's gone, baby.
It's
Look at these
tiny.
two. You want to see the low suit?
Yeah.
It's gone. Oh. Ready? Wee. Have you had a good day? Yeah? You gonna do it again?
Yeah.
Next time? Yeah?
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah? We're finally. Yeah?
Do you get?
We're nearly home, Bubble. We'll do it another time with Daddy again, yeah? Yeah?
Oh, baby.
Hey, is this a tune, Dad? Oh, old school Jay-Z. Got Lele falling asleep. Oh, Leo.
Oh, he's so tired.
Babe, considering it seemed like the transport was right against us, we had a brilliant day, did we not?
Mm-hmm. There's not enough signs to tell us that bloody certain lines weren't running, but...
There was not enough adverts for that as well, do you know what I mean? Was it like a strike, or was it just maybe they were doing like works?
Who knows? It's TFL.
Oh, not the shade. But yeah, we had a good time. And it was funny because we got chatting to me. Obviously it was me. We got chatting to two ladies on the way out. Sorry, I won't cut you off. On the way out, and I was saying sometimes we take it for granted that we live in London. So things like this that we would deem quite touristy, we don't do. But I absolutely had a whale of a time today. Thoroughly enjoyed it. And the boys, look at Lele, he's gone to sleep.
Luca loved it.
Luca, did you enjoy it today? Yeah, it was a good day. Definitely 10 out of 10. I don't know how I'm going to top this, Dad, because we had a roller coaster.
The next day out is your day.
But whenever I do the days out, mine always bang as well because I incorporate food and activities. So I'm not.
So wasabi is embarrassing you, yeah?
It wasn't wasabi that we had, was it?
It was wasabi.
No, but that was by chance that we had wasabi. It wasn't planned. Whereas I planned what we're going to have down to the T and what we're going to do. I'm quite meticulous like that. But we had such a good time today that maybe I would go with the flow a little bit myself. There's quite a lot of spring events coming up. There's a couple of like Easter stuff. And yeah, or maybe the next one can be when we go to that book launch. The books launch.
Oh, boo.
Why?
Boo.
I was going to try throw shade. But yeah, I would give today, thanks to the attitude in the car now, I'd give it a 9.5 out of 10. No, I'm joking.
I know what you're going to get. Hungry Tales below 5.
What? On my day? My days are always 10 out of 10. It's throwing shade now. Today was a 10 out of 10. A really solid effort from Papa Yun. I cannot wait for the next day that you plan, Dad. No? What would you give today?
Like a 7.
Oh, you're not giving it a 10 even though you planned it? Why? Because you've got...
There's always room for improvement.
You're one of those people. Yeah, but it's enjoyment, the time we spent today, the weather was good. I feel like that's something that you can't buy, Dad, and something that you can't plan. Okay. You can't plan the weather. We was glad that it stopped raining when we were trying to leave.
Well, today didn't forecast to rain anyway.
Well, it did. It said it was going to rain at 10, remember?
Not the other day when I checked.
Oh, yeah, same. When the other day when we checked, it didn't say. Well, anyway, yeah, that's us returning home. The kids are absolutely shattered. Luca's snacking on some crisps. And I've given it a 10 out of 10. Dad's giving it a 7. Why is he being hard on himself? But yeah, anyway, we will see you guys in our next vlog video. As always, subscribe, like, comment, and follow us on all our social media channels. And we will see you again. We've been the Yuens. Say goodbye, guys.
Cheerios.
Bye. Lucas, say bye. He's tired. Bye. All right, Luca, blow kiss.
Not pick your bogies.
Blow kiss, Luca. Luca, blow kiss. Bye.